Hi, today we'll be cooking Turkish eggs with spicy sausages, yogurt and tomatoes. And here, this is for the brave ones, we'll be attempting to poach some eggs. So let's get started and see how we get on. Step 1. Make the garlic yogurt. Peel and crush the garlic. Combine in a small and microwavable bowl with the olive oil. Heat in the microwave oven for 30 seconds or until sizzling. Alternatively, you can heat it up in a pan. Mix in the Greek yogurt and season with a pinch of salt. Set aside. Don't refrigerate. Serve at room temperature. Step 2. Cook tomatoes. Peel and chop the shallots. Halve the cherry tomatoes. Heat a pan with the butter and olive oil. Add the shallots, tomatoes, tomato paste, red vinegar, honey, chili powder, obviously you can adjust this to your liking, salt and black pepper. Cover with a lid and simmer for 10 minutes or until the tomatoes have broken down. Step 3. Prep the eggs. Meanwhile, bring a pot of water to a light simmer. Don't add any salt. Crack the eggs into individual small bowls or mugs. Add the white vinegar to the cooking water. Step 4. Poach the eggs. Once the water is simmering, reduce the heat to low so that only small bubbles are rising. Stir the water to create a gentle whirlpool. Slowly tip the eggs, one by one, to the center. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes until the whites are set. Lift the eggs out with a slotted spoon and drain on kitchen paper. Trim off any straggly bits of egg whites. Now, if you feel a little bit worried about poaching your eggs, you can always fry your eggs in a pan instead, sunny side up. Step 5. Fry sausages. Heat the pan over medium-high heat with a drizzle of olive oil. Fry the merguez sausages, don't poke holes, for 5 to 7 minutes, turning occasionally or until cooked through and nicely browned on the surface. Step 6. Assemble and serve. Roughly chop the hazelnuts. Divide the garlic yogurt among plates. Top with the spicy tomatoes. Add the merguez sausages and the poached eggs. Sprinkle with the chopped hazelnuts, za'atar and sumac. Serve immediately. Enjoy. All right, so this is how simple it was to poach some eggs. Poached eggs demystified. I hope this will help you in the future. The perfect brunch or nice dinner for those of you who love eggs. Shall we dig in? And if you really enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bon appétit!